Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm really glad to see you all in today's video, and if you are new here, feel free to go down and hit that subscribe button, and of course don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. So since the new year is just around the corner and all the parties are coming up, I decided to share with you a short list of my most favorite perfumes for going out situations, and I'm very curious which perfumes you like to wear to the parties. Are those beast mode perfumes that smell intensely, or are those more intimate type of fragrances? Please share your thoughts down below, and I'm getting started with the first fragrance that is Gypsy Water by Byredo, which in my opinion is one of their best offerings, and I always pull it off around Christmas and New Year just because it reminds me of that season, and I wear it every time the parties and the holidays are coming. And it starts pretty citrusy. It reminds me of clean citruses like lemon and bergamot, but the black pepper overtakes quite quickly, and later we have those pine needles and cade, and that combination reminds me of a Christmas tree. And there is also a very delicate smoky element in there that's quite relaxing, and it has very powdery texture because of orris root, which I really enjoy, and not gourmand vanilla. And then there is a bit of amber and a hint of sandalwood just to smooth the harsh edges, and overall impression is woody, aromatic, and very alluring, because every time I have it on, people ask me what I'm wearing, and I really find that this is something fresh, something powdery, something quite unique, unisex, and this is just a very safe option if you want to smell festive but also mass appealing and at the same time very comforting. But I know that a lot of people love to wear sweet perfumes to the parties just because they attract a lot of people, and one of the best truly sweet, extremely gourmand perfumes that doesn't smell childish but very expensive is Fève Delicious from Dior's exclusive line. And not only it smells of candied, sugary, sweet cherry that is covered into caramel and then covered once again into chocolate, and then there is a lot of vanilla and some floralcy, and even though it smells quite sweet and milky and of chocolate and sweets, at the same time there is bitter leather note that reminds me of leather jacket, and lots of tonka beans which make it quite powdery, but at the same time there is something boozy in there, so it's quite complex, it's very intriguing, and it's beautiful in the opening, in the dry down, and even the next day. So I think if you're looking for something mass appealing but at the same time for something that will smell rich, expensive, and you want to be in the center of attention, that perfume will make you the star of any party. But if you're looking for something sweet but less bold, I recommend you Rolling in Love by Killian, which is one of their newest offerings, and a lot of you guys asked me about it, and I know that some of you enjoyed, and I considered blind buying it just because of that fantastic bottle. But then I smelled it in the store, and even though I like the opening, my boyfriend told me it's quite average, and I agreed with him, but only in the dry down. But when I first sprayed, it's actually very nice. It smells powdery, of my favorite amber seeds and almond. It reminds me of condensed milk. There is a touch of iris, so it's very delicate, it's very smooth, it's on the oriental and floral side, but in the dry down it turns into that common musky floral powdery aroma which we have already experienced. But I think it's quite sensuous and a bit opulent, so I think if you are looking for something more intimate but at the same time something that will please people and make you feel good in your own skin, I would recommend you that one. But it is not as beast modey as earlier Killian's offerings, but Killian is just a great line to look at if you are looking for some party perfumes. Okay, the next one might be a surprising one for some of you, but it's Orangerie Venice by Giorgio Armani from his exclusive line, and that is basically a very citrusy perfume, and in Ukraine we love to eat mandarins in the winter. That's why I definitely associate citrusy aroma with the winter and particularly Christmas time. And this one is about bitter oranges and mandarins and very joyful neroli, but in the dry down it smells of clean woods and moss, and it reminds me of colorful fireworks that everybody loves to watch at New Year's midnight, and it's just very joyful, and it will put everybody around you in the festive mood. So if you're looking for a fresh citrusy perfume for the holiday season, that is just like the best one I can recommend to you. Well, one of the best ones. Because you know, like citrusy aromas also remind me of Christmas time, and I've already created a video of perfumes that smell just like Christmas. So check it out if you're interested. But the final one in today's video is Amberama by 4160 Tuesdays, and I bought it as my going out type of fragrance. And tonight we have some friends coming over and we'll play games with them, and I'll be wearing my Amberama, which starts quite spicy, and then the powdery, very intense iris appears, and it has very characteristic 4160 Tuesdays raspberry heart, and then boozy, intense oriental amber, and lots of woods in there. So to me this is a very bold perfume. It is voluptuous, it's just like so sexy and just like wow, you know, and every time I wear it I feel myself courageous. I'm like super fun. I don't know if that happened to you when you wear a certain perfume and it just makes you feel more confident, and that is what Amberama does to me, and it's quite a hidden gem, so I'm here to put it on your radar. And yeah, check it out if you love something very fun and powdery. And that, my friends, completes this video, which I hope you enjoyed watching. And I am very curious what you think about my outfit, which I'll be wearing on New Year's Eve, and I'll post a picture on my social media with the whole outfit, so make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to comment down below which perfumes you'll be wearing to the parties, and which of these you have already tried or you're excited to try. I'm looking forward to chat with you. I love to do that, and I wish you all amazing New Year and lots of fun at the parties. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like it, and please subscribe to my channel, ring that bell to be updated about my new videos. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Have a good one, and let me know which other videos you want to see from me in the future, and stay tuned, smell good. We'll see each other in the next one. Bye guys.